In this tutorial, I'll show you a difference between an array or an instance-based group of meshes. Let's add two array modifiers. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. Type E to extrude. In edit mode, type A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. If we add a curve modifier, then we'll have a curved group of cube shape. But if we look at the result carefully, the cubes near the bottom look squashed. This is because the cubes are following the shape of the curve. If we scale up the mesh, then we can notice the issue faster. If we're looking to create a curved set of cubes that don't look squashed at all, then we must use the instance method. I'll select the meshes we've created so far, and put them into a new collection. Let's duplicate the curve and use it on the instance method example. We could either create a plane to subdivide it manually, or just create a grid like this. Let's add a curve modifier. We need to create a source mesh. Let's create a cube and scale it. Select the cube, and shift-select the plane. Press Ctrl+P to parent. Let's vertex instance the cube. This is how we create a group of meshes that are not deformed due to the curve limitation. We can move the grid to shape up the mesh along the curve any way we like. Here is a sample render image that I have created the usual way. I have used the cycles renderer with 16 samples. I have turned off the Use Node setting under Composite before rendering. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.